Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add view post on your Instagram stories. So guys, basically you can see here, if I tap this post, then it will be directly connected to my post. You can see here it will be directly connect to the post. So how you can put this type of story on your Instagram, then this video will absolutely help you out. So guys, before starting the videos, I request each and everyone to please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, here you can see here, this is my Instagram profile. So if you wanna add the tap here post on your Instagram story to your photo, then what you have to do here, it's very pretty simple. I will show you. So let me just select this post here, and then I have already did one here. You can see here, this is the one. So I will show you by doing another one. So just you have to select one of your posts, whichever post you want to select. I will select this, and then you can see here arrow sign here, share sign. So just click here, and then what you have to do, you have to click on add post to your story option. So after clicking to this, you can see here you can adjust your post here, and then if you want to change the color background, then you have to click or simply click on this option. You can see here this option. So after clicking to this, you have to select the color and press and hold it. So you can see here my background has been changed. So just click on right option, and then what you have to do, you have to click on this sticker option here. So just click here, and after clicking here in the search bar, you have to write VIEW view post. Okay, so after writing view post, you can see here you will find lots of options. So let me just it's up to you whichever you want to select. So let me just select this one, and then let me just adjust this. You can see here view post. So guys, here again you have to click on the same, and then let me just select for tab here. Okay, so after writing this, you can see here tab here option. So let me just click on this like that, adjust it, and then just click on this and then just you have to click on this send to option. Okay, so let me just click on send to option, and your story and done. So guys, after this it's done. So now what you have to do, you can see here it's almost done. So wait for a while. You can see this was my first post, and it is coming, the option is coming for viewing post. You can see here if you tap on this, then automatically it will redirect to this post, and again this is the post. You can see here again, you can see here it will redirect. So guys, in this way you can just add view post sticker on your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.